Hi, I'm Dr. Krishna Murari Adhikari. I'm from Manipal Teaching Hospital, Pokhara, Nepal. I joined the Alleviate Pain Management Center for a fellowship program in pain management. And initially, I was wondering, or I was thinking, how the center would be in terms of learning. But after coming here, I really found that the center is very good uh, for uh, for doing fellowships also. I got opportunity to see varieties of cases, and apart from evaluating and assisting the cases, I also got ample amount of exposure in terms of hands-on. Like I have done trigger point injections, prolotherapy, various back injections, starting from transforaminal epidural, subpedical approach, Camden triangle approach, facet joint, SI joint, and joint injections like knee joint injections, ultrasound-guided, fluoroscope-guided. So I'm really happy and satisfied, and the training I got here has given me enough confidence to start my own pain practice after returning back to my place and my institution. And I'd like to thank all the faculty member for guiding me during this period. And what I'd like to say, all the faculties, they are very talented, and they have one and other unique properties among them which we can learn from them. And actually what I feel is that in terms of fellowship program, Alleviate is a very good center. I would like to thank all the faculty, starting from our fellowship director, Dr. Javed, and then Dr. Swagatesh, Dr. Faraz, Dr. Vikar, Dr. Santoshi. I am equally grateful to all of them, and all of them were very supportive, and all of them were a very good teacher.